Got another quick, easy video for you guys today. How to change a map sensor on a 2011 to 2015 Kia Sorento. And the Hyundai equivalent will be the same too. And what we're looking at here, this is on the 2.4 liter. Got stuff in the way. But down here on your throttle body, that's actually your map sensor right here. So all we need to do is just unplug it. Yours might be a little stubborn like mine. And this little tab, you might have to get up underneath it and pop it up, because it might not pop up from pushing on the little thumb tab here. Then get a 10mm socket. Then you'll just kind of wiggle it around a little bit and pull. There we go. Then slide your new one in there. And just snug it up kind of lightly. And plug it back in. Done.